Are you ready to earn substantial income with minimal effort? Discover how you can make $60 per minute just by watching videos online in 2024. It is a simple and profitable way to increase your income without needing special skills or investment. Stay tuned to learn the secrets of making money online by simply watching videos. I will guide you through the entire process, helping you enhance your skills and teaching you how to earn money online without limits. Welcome to Make Money Online today. If you want to stay updated on new online money making methods, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. This channel welcomes all opinions, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We will start our journey to earning extra cash online by exploring a new platform called Rewardly. This website allows users to generate income by engaging with various forms of media, like videos. The average user reportedly makes over $50 per day, with more than $630,000 in rewards distributed to date. With a user base exceeding 1 million and a stellar 4.4 star rating on Trustpilot, Rewardly is a reputable platform for users. So how does Rewardly work? It is straightforward. First, you need to create a free account. Once your account is set up, you can start accumulating points by participating in activities such as listening to music, playing games, watching videos, and completing surveys. The points you earn can be exchanged for real money, which can be transferred via PayPal, cryptocurrency, or gift cards. Now let's delve into the details of creating your account. Upon visiting Rewardly, click on Register Account button. You'll be prompted to enter your desired username, email address, and password. After verifying your humanity to ensure you are not a bot and agreeing to the website terms and conditions, your account will be ready for use. Alternatively, you can streamline the process by signing up directly with your Gmail or Twitch account. Once logged in, you will be greeted by your dashboard, which serves as your control center on the website. From here, you can explore various features and functionalities. When it comes to cashing out your earnings, Rewardly offers a variety of payment methods tailored to your specific location. You can rest assured that you'll find suitable option even if PayPal is not available in your country. You might have the option to transfer your earnings directly into your bank account with a minimal withdrawal amount of just $2. This low threshold ensures that you can access the money quickly and effortlessly. Alright, let's proceed to the next step. Once you are logged into your Rewardly dashboard, click on the Earn tab. This will lead you to a page showcasing various methods to earning money online, such as completing offers, playing games, watching Twitch streams, listening to music, and watching videos. For our purpose, we will concentrate on earning through video watching. So select the Watch Streams option. If you don't have a Twitch account, no problem. Sign up for one, or else you can watch other videos. You don't need to watch the streams and earn on Rewardly. They offer a diverse selection of videos, many featuring popular games like League of Legends, GTA 5, Dota 2, Minecraft, and more. Feel free to choose any gaming video that piques your interest and start earning. When you find a video that you like, simply click on it and then you'll be directed to a page where you can view the video and simultaneously earn money. You will accumulate points based on your watch time, typically earning 2 points per minute, though this rate can increase to 3 points per minute depending on your location. Generally, users in more developed countries tend to earn more, but regardless of where you are, the longer you watch, the more you will earn. So if your earning rate is lower, you can simply extend your watch time to boost your earnings. And with an abundance of videos available, you can continue watching and accumulating points. If you have been enjoying this video so far, this is the perfect time to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now let's get back to the tips on how you can make more money on Rewardly. Rewardee. Firstly, navigate to the settings menu and adjust the video quality to the lowest setting. This simple tweak conserves your internet data without compromising your ability to earn. Secondly, maximize your time by opening multiple videos simultaneously in different tabs. This strategy allows you to watch several videos at once, potentially boosting your earnings to as much as $30 per minute if you have 10 videos running concurrently. If short viral video clips are more of your style, you can download the live stream app on your mobile device to earn while watching. After logging in with your username, you can begin watching and earning between 1 to 10 points for every 5 minutes of viewing time. The longer you watch, the more points you accumulate, and all earnings are automatically credited to your account on the website. Additionally, you will receive a ticket every 5 minutes, opening up even more earning opportunities. For those who prefer to listening to music, then consider on clicking listen to music on your dashboard and enjoy your music while you earn money. You can accumulate 1 to 10 points for every 10 minutes of listening time. In addition to watching videos and listening to music, Rewardee offers a plethora of other earning options. Explore the offers section where you'll find featured offers, offer providers, and survey providers. You can even install gaming apps like Flappy Birds and earn money by playing games. These diverse opportunities allow you to explore different avenues and discover what works best for you. By implementing these tips and exploring the various earning options available on Rewardee, you can optimize your earnings and make the most of this website. Remember, the more you engage with the platform, the more opportunities you will have to earn. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed and learned from this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.